Hello there, this is Bmw E60 Kilo Oscar. So you know, we're coming towards that time of the year where it's dark for like most of the day, and you know, you're going somewhere in the car and you're rummaging about in the boot trying to find stuff. So we've done a little job on this one. So excuse the shopping bags. So we put some LED strip in there and changed out the stock light for LED as well. Pull down the boot lid. Quite bright in there with the old piece of strip. Just a piece I had left over in the shed from a previous shack project, I guess. So we have plenty of light in the boot now, and only took a few minutes to do as well, so a handy little modification. So we get you again in the next one. This is Bmw E60 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.